In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep Google in dark mode. This quick and straightforward guide will take approximately 5 minutes and will help you transition your Google browsing experience to a more eye-friendly and aesthetically pleasing dark mode. Whether it's late at night or you just prefer a darker theme, this adaptation can make your browsing more comfortable and stylish. So let's dive right in. First, let's start by opening your Google browser. This solution works seamlessly whether you are using Chrome or any other Google native application. The processes are similar, and you can expect a uniform look across all your Google-based interfaces. Once you have your Google browser open, navigate to the upper right corner of the window. Here you will notice 3 vertical dots. This icon, known as the More menu or Hamburger menu, is the key to accessing a variety of settings. Simply click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. Next, from the drop-down menu, look for an option labelled Settings featured within it. Click on Settings to proceed to the next step. This page houses numerous customizable elements of your Google experience, ranging from privacy settings to the appearance of your browser. Once you're in the settings menu, direct your attention to a section titled Appearance. It might take a little scrolling depending on your system configuration, but it's usually straightforward to find. Click on Appearance to explore its various options and third-party themes which promise a range of visual experiences. As part of the appearance settings, you should now see an option that allows you to switch the theme of your interface. Generally, this will be marked as Theme and will include different options such as Light, Dark, and System Default. Here, you want to select the Dark option. Once you select dark, the change should happen almost instantaneously. Your browser will transform from the bright whites and light greys to the rich dark shades synonymous with dark mode. If the change doesn't reflect immediately, a quick browser restart should see your new preferences being applied. Congratulations! You've now set Google to operate in dark mode. This feature isn't just stylish, it reduces glare, providing a more enjoyable browsing experience during nighttime or in low light environments, and can even save battery life on mobile devices and laptops. Using dark mode can also help reduce eye strain in darker settings, making your overall computing experience more pleasant. There you have it, a simple guide for turning on Google's dark mode, elevating your browsing into a more visually appealing experience. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember that you can switch back to light or system default anytime by simply following the same steps. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tech tips.